What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the upcoming Air Jordan 4 Retro SE in the What The colorway. This pair is slated to drop November 23rd for $200 US or $265 here in Canada. So the official colorway for this shoe is white, tech gray, military blue, and fire red. And as you can see, this shoe is done in mismatching fashion, paying homage to the four OG colorways of the Jordan 4, the white cements, the fire reds, the military blues, and the black cements or breads. So for those of you guys watching from Canada, these will be available online and in store at The Closet Inc. So The Closet Inc. is a sneaker boutique located out of Southern Ontario. And if you're the type that likes to support the independent shops instead of big box retailers, then be sure to check out their website, their social media, all that good stuff, which I'll link down in the description box below. From what I know, this is a special release given that SE is found in the name of the shoe, but I don't expect these to be too hard to get if you really want a pair. So diving straight into the sneaker, my first impressions of this when I got these in hand is that the quality of this white leather on the upper is very nice. It feels very soft to the touch and has a bit of a tumbled look to it. And comparing the leather quality on this pair to, for example, the white cement 4s, these guys blow that one out of the water. So this white leather pretty much covers the entire upper of both shoes, but the color blocking on the right foot and the left foot are different. So taking a closer look at the netting of the shoe, so in either case we do have a white netting, but the underlying layer underneath is different. For the lace crowns of the Jordan 4, first off on the lateral side of the right foot, these are again done in military blue, and the triangular TPU strap on the lateral side is done in gray, which is another nod to the military blue 4s. Flipping the right shoe over to the medial side, so the lace crowns on this side is done in black, which is a nod to the white cement 4s, and you'll see the TPU strap on this side has that black speckled paint. For the left shoe, so first off on the lateral side, the crowns here are done in fire red, and we have a black TPU strap. And then on the medial side, the crowns here are done in gray with a black strap. In terms of laces, so both pairs come with a flat style white lace, but they do give you a secondary pair of black laces if you want to switch it up, or you can even do one shoe having white laces and another shoe having black. Hanging off the shoe, they also give you a Nike Air hang tag as well. And you'll notice that the hang tag in this case is done in an inverted fashion, whereas typically it's orange with clear lettering. This time it's clear with orange lettering. Underneath the laces, we have the tongue, which is done in a smooth white leather, and the Jumpman flight tags on both shoes are mismatching as well. Flipping the tongue over to the other side, you'll see on the right foot, it's lined in red with the Air Jordan tag stitched on in upside down fashion. And then on the left foot, it's lined in blue, again with that Air Jordan tag, this time in white and black. Another small detail that you might have missed is on the lace tips. We have 4 different numbers and they're colored in gray, black, red, and blue. And this is supposed to represent the original color codes or style codes of those OG Jordan 4s. So moving on to the back end of the shoe, the heel cups for both shoes are mismatching again. So on the right foot, it's done in white cement 4 fashion with that speckled gray with Nike Air in black. And then on the left shoe, it's done in military 4 fashion with that blue plastic with white Nike Air. The inside liners of the shoe are also different. So for the right foot, it's done in a light gray, and then for the left foot, it's done in fire red. Pulling up the insoles, so these come with polyurethane insoles instead of your standard foam, and the right foot is lined in red with black text, and the left foot is black with red text. So the upper of these Jordan 4s sits atop this polyurethane midsole, which again feature mismatching paint finishes. So for the left pair, we have this gray midsole with black speckled paint, and then on the right foot, it's entirely done in black. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your outsoles, and you'll see that on the right foot, we have the outsole of the black cement or bread 4s, and on the left foot, we have the outsole of the white cement 4s. In either case, it's finished off with Nike branding in the middle. So in terms of sizing, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I got these in a size 10 and they fit me pretty good. Generally speaking, for Jordan 4s, I am a size 10 if they feature a leather upper, but sometimes in the cases where they have a Durabuck, Nubuck, or suede upper, for some reason I find those to fit a little bit more snug, especially around the pinky area. So for those pairs, I go up a half size to a 10.5. But generally speaking, for models like the White Cement 4, for the Columbia 4s, and the Oreo 4s, across the board for those guys, I stuck with a size 10, and these guys fit the same to me. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so really nothing too special here. Despite that polyurethane insole, these feel pretty firm on feet, and there's really not much to say about it other than it's going to be okay for just casual use, but expect nothing from a softness standpoint. Another positive thing I want to point out is the shape of the toe box on these Jordan 4s is beautiful. Instead of having that cliff toe look where it's really bulbous and round, in this case they really taper down to a point, and that's a beautiful sight to see. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, while I appreciate the concept that Jordan Brand was going for, I personally feel that the execution on this pair could have been a lot better. This is not to be confused with the quality of this shoe. As I mentioned from the start, this white leather quality is absolutely amazing, but it's more so the color blocking of the shoe, and specifically I feel that they could have went one step further and really played up that whole mismatching look to commemorate those 4 OG colorways of the Jordan 4. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these What The Jordan 4s, and if you guys plan on copying a pair this coming weekend. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another shout out goes out to The Closet Inc. So once again, if you guys are watching and you're from Canada, grab a pair from The Closet Inc. I'll add their social media, their website, all that stuff down below. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.